Hello everyone!
If you've ever felt lost about how to study, don't worry, this video is for you. I'm going to tell you the only two things you need to do to prepare for any subject and actually understand it, not just memorize. And no, it's not some kind of secret formula or a 10-step plan. It's just two things that every top student does, even if they don't realize it. Ready? Let's go! So, the first step might sound simple. You just need to read your book or study the material you were given. But here's the thing, here's the catch. Most students, they just read it. They don't understand it. They don't really get it. You can spend hours highlighting lines, but if you can't explain it in your own words, you don't really know it. So, here is what you should do instead. When you read, pause every few paragraphs and ask yourself, wait, what did I just learn? Try to teach it aloud, like you're explaining it to a friend, or instead you can use mind maps, doodles, or small summaries in your notebook. For example, if you're studying physics and reading about Newton's laws, don't just memorize them. Ask yourself, why does this happen? What's an example in real life? That's how you build understanding. Because once you understood a topic deeply, remembering it becomes 10 times easier. So now, this is where the real progress happens. The past papers. You can read all day, but if you never apply what you learned, you will forget it when it matters most. So start solving past papers early, not 1 week or 2 weeks before the exam, but consistently. And here is the golden rule. When you make a mistake, don't move on. That mistake is your biggest teacher. Look at the mark scheme, compare it with your answer, and find out why you got it wrong. Write it down in a mistake log. It is a notebook where you list every error and what you learned from it. You will be shocked how fast you improve once you start doing this. And remember, past papers aren't just practice, they are your special trainers. So, here is the big picture. Reading gives you understanding. Past papers give you an application. When you combine both, that's when studying becomes powerful. You stop cramming and start learning. You stop panicking and start improving. This works for any subject, whether it's math, science, literature, or even economics. So, next time you study, remember this. Understand what you read. Read those past papers. And when you make mistakes, learn from them. That's how you get better. That's how you prepare for any exam. And if this video helped you, make sure to like, share and subscribe. And drop a comment about what subject you are preparing for. Let's grow together.